How to delete Instagram messages. Hi everyone, it is Guide Hacks, and in this video I will show you how to delete Instagram messages and how to delete the whole chat. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Here we should go to our DMs just by clicking on arrow at the top right corner. Now you need to open the chat where you want to delete messages. For example, I want to delete my messages from this chat. If you want to delete message, you just need to tap on message and hold it. Then three options appear, but you need to tap option unsend at the middle. Sometimes these options can appear at the bottom of your screen. And here we just click OK or unsend again. After this process, your friend will not see messages that you have deleted. And if you want to delete the whole chat, you need to go back and just swipe to the left this chat. Here three options appear and you need to tap on more. And now we should choose delete. And then confirm this decision by clicking on delete. And this chat will be deleted permanently. That's all, it was how to delete Instagram messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our Guide Hacks channel.